Hello everybody, it's the Big Fat Crypto Guy. Thank you very much for watching once again. So, what have I been and done? I've probably been naughty, but I haven't spent as much as you thought. There we go, we got a 1060 in here now. So what I'm going to call this machine is Frankenstein, because we've got three 1050 Ti's, one 1060, and I'm getting a stable 25-26 mega hash a second. So set between 73 and 74 mega hash is what I'm getting on here. I'm going to tell you my clock settings just so you know. I've just done it about 5 minutes ago. The computer got a bit slow and sluggy, so I just said to myself, well, what I'll do is I'll restart, let the graphics cards slow down a little bit, get back on the machine, and then see what I can do to make it work without crashing. So we got the 1060. So I'm on MSI Afterburner, which is the overclock program which I've used. So we got power limit is 90%. We got temp limit, which is 79. However, because it's got dual fans in it, I'm getting between 40 and 43 degrees on it. Okay, so core clock. So this is what made my computer crash. This is probably because I haven't got the power set up properly on it. I've done core clock minus 400. I don't think we need it. I don't think it does much to the system other than crash it. But I would love to know, so comment down below, so see what I need to know to get it. Memory clock is plus 100, because this is what I think. The memory clock is getting the hash I want. It's getting 25-26 mega hash a second every time, you know. It doesn't crash the machine, and I've got that on the 1050 Ti's, and I've got that on the 1060 here. My fan limit on that is 50 degrees. Like I said, stable 40-43 degrees. That's purely because of how cold it is in this room. So the 1050 Ti's are getting 15.74 mega hashes. The 1060s at the moment is getting 26, and that's on them clock speeds there. How much did I spend on it? Funny story about that. A friend who I haven't seen in 5 years, who I used to work with when I used to work at John Lewis, I put on Facebook saying, you know, I'm looking for anything like a 1050 Ti or above, right? And he said, look, on Amazon they're nearly £400 each. I'll do you one for £300. And I thought, you know, cost per mega hash and whatever, brilliant, absolutely brilliant. So I spent £300. I went to see an old friend who who I haven't seen in a long time. Plus, I've got a graphics card from it, and it's still running from that 700 watt power supply. So, you know, it can't all be bad. That's my little update for today. Hopefully, with 73 mega hash, I will be making a little bit more per, you know, a little bit more per day now. Like I said, I'm going to cash out as soon as I hit the 0.005 Ethereum, which is about $60 now, because, you know, the stock market's been amazing. It's just gone up, and that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to mine, hopefully, if Bitcoin private comes out by the end of the month, I should start mining that, take my profit from this already, put it back in, put in my Coinbase wallet, and just sit on it until I feel fit that I should withdraw flat to my bank account. Hope that is. Any comments down below? I really want to know about that core clock limit. If it's harmful, if it's not. I'm not 100% sure. It's the first time I'm overclocking properly, so please do let me know. Thank you very much.